In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create transparent splash text in Canva. This is a simple and effective technique that can add a unique and creative flair to your designs, whether you're making social media graphics, presentations, or personal projects. To get started, you'll need to open Canva. You can do this by heading to their website or using the Canva app if you have it installed on your device. Once you're in, let's create a new design. You can choose a size template that suits your project, such as a social media post, presentation slide, or custom dimensions if you have specific requirements in mind. With your blank canvas ready, the next step is to insert a text box. You can do this by selecting the text tool from the side menu and clicking on your canvas where you want the text to appear. Now, type in your desired word or phrase. This will be the basis for your splash text, so pick something that stands out or is meaningful to your design. Now that you have your text on the canvas, select it and navigate to the effects option at the top toolbar. Clicking on it will open a variety of text effects you can apply. For our splash text effect, choose either the hollow or the outline effect. This will create an empty or outline version of your text, which is perfect for our upcoming steps. Next, we'll add some decorative elements to complement the text. Go to the Elements tab, which you can find on the left-hand side of the screen. In the search bar, type Paint Splash or Ink to find graphics that will enhance your text design. Canva offers a range of free and premium splash images, so choose the ones you like best. Now it's time to position your chosen splashes. Place these elements behind or partially overlapping your text for a dynamic, layered look. This step is where creativity comes into play, as you can experiment with size, rotation, and placement to get the desired effect. Once you're happy with your splash text design, you'll want to download it. Choose the PNG format, which supports transparent backgrounds. After downloading, re-upload the PNG file into Canva. This allows you to manipulate the entire splash text as a single, cohesive element. Finally, for that finishing touch, add the background image you want to use in your design. Upload or choose a background from Canva's extensive library. Place this background behind your splash text, allowing the colors and textures to complement and enhance the overall design. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've created striking, transparent splash text using Canva. This technique is sure to bring a new level of creativity to your projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.